Mm. Mm. Where are the kids going? Are they going to school? This way. Go in the bus. Hi, Mr. Busman. Hi, bus driver. Thanks for taking us to school. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Have a great day. Blue kisses. Bus driver. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Are they going to go down the slide? Whee! Whee! Bye. Have a good day. Okay. Close the door. See you later. Bye-bye. 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 See ya. Are there any kitties on the bus? Meow. Meow. What'd you do? Oh, be nice. Gentle. Gentle with the kids. Uh-oh. Hey. Nice. Gentle. Yeah.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes.
Friends? Are they friends? Bye-bye. Are they going to school? Clap, clap, clap. Touchdown! Libby, do you have your polka dots on? Libs. Munkers. Do you have your polka dots on? Where's your shoes?
Yeah.
Yeah, where's your shoes? On? Shoes? On? Hey, what? Shoes? Pretty. No, no, no. Leave those shoes on.
Yeah.
On. Close the door. Bye. Bye-bye.